Hi everyone, it's Stuart from Pidcock BMW Motorrad. Back again with the F900Rs this time. So we're following on from doing the F900XR in a previous video. Very similar story as well as in the launched beginning of last year, so beginning of 2020, just before lockdown 1. So maybe didn't quite get the recognition they deserve as you come down to the dealers and see all the bikes. So here they are. Been doing really well with them. Very similar in terms of what options you can get on the XR as well. So for a naked sports bike, things like heated grips, riding mode pro, cruise control, electronic suspension adjustment, keyless ride and gear shift assist pro are all available as options on this bike. One of the things it does come as standard with, which really does make it sort of quite far ahead of maybe some of its competition, is things like the TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. So if you're considering other similar bikes like the Z900, you definitely want to be giving this one a look at as well. So obviously at the moment we can't invite you down to come have a test ride, but we are putting a demonstrator on, and as soon as that we are back open, we'll be able to start taking bookings on test rides as well. If you want to have more of a chat about one of the bikes in terms of costs, options available, things like that, you can still give us a call. We can do all of that on the telephone via email with you. The number's 0115 946 2233, or if you visit our website you can also send us an inquiry on there and we'll get back to you. Alright everyone, thanks a lot.